Some call it the Transkei, some call it Xhosa land, or Pondo land, or the Wild Coast. Whatever you want to call it, this place is an Eden of ethnicity and wild ocean. I'd put it right at the top of my places to visit in South Africa. Yeah, driving out here is its own thing. There's more potholes than roads. It's just hills all over the place and no rules. So you've got to improvise. And you've got to be on the lookout for free roaming livestock. The beef in the Transkei is extremely free range, almost too much so. And then, when it rains, the roads turn into rivers, kind of rearrange themselves, I guess. Because sometimes I think Maps Lady is more blazed than I am.
At the roundabout, take the second exit.
The Transkei is vast, but I'm gonna show you 4 awesome places, within walking distance of each other, and each with its own famous backpackers. Number 1 is Bulungula. This backpackers is run by members of the local community. It's the perfect gateway to tranquil beaches and colorful village life. These kind women have agreed to help dress me up as a young Xhosa woman. In this disguise, we will sneak me in to an exclusive celebration for the ancestors. It looks like it's working. Xhosa people love to party, and their celebrations are always in honor of God and the ancestors. Many of the Xhosa huts have very small windows, or no windows at all. This is because of negative superstitions surrounding birds. No windowsills means no places for birds to perch, and no windows mean no bird's eyes glaring at you in the night. And I can relate. I mean, I like most birds, I just don't trust all of them. I've always felt like they're laughing at us. Anyway, backpackers number 2 is Wild Lubanzi. It's a day's walk from Bulungula. And it's widely regarded as one of the most incredible structures ever built by bees. Here I love to sit out on the deck and look at passing dolphins. There's one now. Did you see it? Just keep your eye on the wave. There. The most iconic natural feature of the whole Transkei is Hole in the Wall, right in the middle of wild Lubanzi and Coffee Bay. Famous not only for its mind-blowing natural scenery, but also for its psychedelics. No, fuck that. Can I have you guys? Our fourth and final backpackers is tranquil Mdumbi. Fiery brother. Famous for its good surfing, good fishing, lots of oysters. Restaurants and shops are scarce, so you have to kind of live off the sea. The lovely locals are always willing to provide fish, mussels, lobster, all for a very low price. All you need is some cooking essentials and a place to cook. And that's how it is with most things in the Transkei. The lack of infrastructure is balanced by an abundance of untamed ocean and warm-hearted community. Xhosa land is at the same time wildly unpredictable and a safe, gentle bosom. Maybe that's why many visitors get happily stuck here for months or years. I'm not sure yet when I'll be leaving, but I'll keep you in the loop. Cheers.
The supermarket policy is to select the best food and describe the rest.
Discard.
Discard. Okay.